this rash for me.
Yeah, I don't want to look at your rash.
I need you to look.
No, you don't.
I've had it for like a whole month.
Wheezy, room 2, space lamp. Look away, look away, look away, look at it.
Look at it! Look at it! Look at it!
Joe,
Look at it!
no.
It's all of you to look at it!
I didn't want to say that.
I tried to warn you.
Why do I feel like crying, Wheezy?
Shelby,
What kind of rash would stay for a whole month?
go ask a doctor.
I got it from your tanning beds.
No, you didn't.
You've only tanned here twice, both of which was this week, and you just said you've had this for a month. I meant a week.
Get out. You're banned. You're banned.
Banned? Yes, banned. You traumatized my Shelby. Come here, Shelby, I'll hold you.